Okay, well, we have a poster out there says B2B luxury MICE speakers, and yet you may have realized that some of them didn't make it here because of the PCR testing, the e-visa operations, or the confinement in certain countries. We are proud to, he couldn't make it here by the last minute, but we're proud to present Mr. Jon Bruno, the Executive Director of the International Ecotourism Society, that I'm proudly part of as a coordinating manager. Of course, the Mr. Murtaza Kalender is here, the Vice President of Eurasia branch. So, John, you're with us. Thank God.
Hello, everyone.
How are things in the U.S. right now?
It'd be better to be there.
Yeah, we really hope for it. I mean, I wanted to present you your little recognition here right at the stage, but oh well, maybe next time. Speaking of next time, there is something planned next time, right? What are we planning for? Just go for it.
We have the Ecotourism and Sustainable Tourism Conference coming up, and we hope you'll all attend. If you want to learn more about ecotourism and sustainable tourism, which is the fastest growing segment of tourism, and something that, as you heard Mr. Terry Dale mention, is increasingly important in the world of tourism, then you need to attend this conference. It's the foremost conference for ecotourism and sustainable tourism, bringing all aspects of the industry together.
Well, this event will be placed again in Turkey, but this time the beautiful ecotourism destination of Tokat City pretty soon. So we would love to see you over there too. Again, another giant event that'll be for the tourism professionals. And of course, I think we will have, by the latest count, we will have the 15 ambassadors in the county and country representative will be there. So we hope to see you. John, any last word? You want to say good luck to us because, we're under pandemic conditions. I know you were very willing to make it here, but it just didn't happen. So, we will have you in Tokat.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great honor to talk to you all, and I hope you consider the words of the previous panelists and mine as well, that sustainability is incredibly important in our industry. We hope to see you at the end of July at the ESDC in Tokat. It's a beautiful city, as most of you know. So I look forward to meeting each and every one of you personally. And if you'd ever like to discuss ecotourism, please email Hakan and he'll put you in contact with us.
Thank you for your insights and thanks for. And we, of course, want your well-being more than anything. And we will see you in Tokat. Thanks for participating and contributing into this.
Thank you.
We'll see you in Tokat.
Thank you.
Goodbye.